Hey Wellness Wise fam, it's your Jazzy back with another eye-opening episode that you can't afford to miss. Today we're diving into a hot topic that could be lurking in your supplement stash right now. We're talking about the top 5 best-selling Amazon supplements that you should stop using immediately. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because your health might depend on it. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. Number 1. Garcinia Cambogia. Ingredients: hydroxycitric acid HCA. Why it's harmful. Liver damage. Garcinia Cambogia has been linked to liver toxicity, with several cases of acute liver failure reported. Digestive issues. Users often experience digestive discomfort, including nausea, diarrhea, and cramps. Blood sugar levels. It can cause a significant drop in blood sugar, posing a risk for those with diabetes. Number 2. Green tea extract. Ingredients: epigallocatechin gallate EGCG. Why it's harmful. Liver toxicity. High doses of EGCG can lead to serious liver damage and failure. Cardiovascular issues. Excessive consumption has been linked to an increased heart rate and high blood pressure. Drug interactions. It can interact negatively with various medications, reducing their effectiveness or increasing side effects. Number 3. Yohimbe. Ingredients: Yohimbe. And why it's harmful. Heart problems. Yohimbe can cause rapid heart rate, high blood pressure, and even heart attacks. Anxiety and insomnia. It is known to increase anxiety levels and cause sleep disturbances. Kidney issues. Overuse can lead to kidney problems and acute kidney failure. Number 4. Bitter orange citrus aurantium. Ingredients: synephrine. Why it's harmful. Cardiovascular risks. Synephrine is similar to ephedrine and can cause high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Drug interactions. It can interfere with medications, particularly those used to treat high blood pressure and heart conditions. Digestive issues. Users may experience nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain. Number 5. Kava. Ingredients: cavalactones. Why it's harmful. Liver damage. Kava has been associated with severe liver toxicity, leading to hepatitis, cirrhosis, and liver failure. Neurological issues. Long-term use can cause neurological problems, including tremors and ataxia. Drug interactions. Kava can amplify the effects of other central nervous system depressants, leading to dangerous levels of sedation. There you have it, Wellness-wise fam. These popular supplements might seem like miracle solutions, but they come with serious health risks that aren't worth taking. Always research and consult with a healthcare professional before adding any supplement to your routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crucial health and wellness insights. Stay wise, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.